For the past 21 months, both our lives and the real estate industry have shown exactly the same thing: resilience. So what does 2022 have in store for the real estate market? Let's find out. I'm Edric Maguan. This is The Real Deal. For nearly 2 years, the pandemic and the effects of different policies have been at the forefront of the minds of both real estate investors and those looking to invest in their first property. Some have taken a wait-and-see approach, but maybe time to start acting. Indeed, there's a lot of reason to be excited and optimistic for the coming year. This leads me to believe that we will see a strong uptrend in the real estate market for several years, if not decades to come. One of the most important numbers to look at for real estate is GDP growth. As has been shown over the past decade, a rapidly growing economy has a strong correlation with rapidly increasing real estate prices. As recent news reports show, 7.1% GDP growth in Q3 despite curbs due to Delta surge. This prompted BSP Governor Benjamin Jokno to state that the Development Budget Coordination Committee GDP growth targets of 7 to 9% in 2022 and 6 to 7% in 2023 look doable. In fact, even Goldman Sachs mirrors this statement, as they expect the Philippines to be the fastest growing ASEAN 5 country next year, projecting a growth of 7.3%, setting us up for growth in real estate. But it's not only the GDP growth rate that will help real estate. Interest rates are seen to hold steady, as 20 economic experts unanimously forecast that the Monetary Board would maintain the overnight reverse repurchase rate at a historic low of 2%. We will see more people taking advantage of this historically low interest rate, with some banks offering below 6% interest fixed for 3 to 5 years. Another thing to take advantage of is the priceless real estate knowledge you can get from my channel. So hit that subscribe button. Aside from the GDP and interest rates giving good news, even the office sector is showing signs of recovery. Inquirer reports that the Philippine office property segment is seen to end this year on a strong note, with demand for additional office space rising by 38% from the level in 2020. That's a huge jump, and there are lots of reasons to be optimistic. The BPO sector has been leading the way throughout the pandemic. David Lichu said, even at the height of the pandemic in 2020, IT BPMs took up space. We foresee that they will remain a catalyst of the office segment for as long as the outsourcing remains a viable solution for recovering firms in the West. Yes, I foresee a full return to the office sooner rather than later. While some things may change, such as how the office is set up, having a separation from home and work life will be welcomed back by the employees, and the increased focus in the office will be welcomed back by the employers. This in turn will boost the demand for residential properties, as people will again look for living spaces near their workplace. If you want to know which locations and developments have high growth potential, schedule a free consultation with me via the link in the description. And if you know the situation of the Philippines, even with the numerous residential developments over the past decade, we are still playing catch up. There is a huge backlog and supply gap in the residential real estate. The Philippine Star reports that current housing backlog is 6.5 million units and increasing. The pandemic has only exacerbated this problem. In 2012, it was estimated we'd hit the 6.5 million backlog in 2030. But due to delays in construction and holding off on launching many new developments, we're 9 years early. The ever-growing supply gap versus the increasing demand for residential real estate and our economic recovery will surely drive the value of properties for years and decades to come. Thank you for watching. Are you ready to invest in real estate? Let me help you get the property that best suits your goals and maximizes your earning potential. I am affiliated with the most reputable and trusted developers, offering a wide range of affordable to luxury residential developments in Metro Manila and adjacent emerging cities. So sign up now for a free consultation with me by the link in the description. Let's get rich and financially free, one property at a time. Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.